Okay guys, this is for anybody that has the Terrarium app and it's giving you maybe the no data or the upgrade or update but not allowing you to update. Okay, see how it says no data? I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. Okay, first of all, we are going to go into our settings. Then we are going to scroll over to applications. Go down to manage installed applications. We're going to scroll down and find Terrarium TV. Okay. We are going to uninstall this. Okay. Now we are going to, I'm going to walk you through the steps of reinstalling it. First, if you don't have a downloader, please go in and download this. Definitely if you're new to all of this. And in the URL, we are going to go to troypoint.com. Then we're going to go to /TTV. Okay. And then you should get brought to this page right here. Oops, I think I went too far. Okay, click here to download and install Terrarium. May take just a second, but this should fix any bugs that you've had with Terrarium TV. Okay, we're going to go down here to install. That'll take just a few seconds, maybe even a minute or so for some people. Okay, app installed. When you're done, we're going to go over to open. Press OK and yes player. I would highly recommend that one. So, accept. Okay, and now you should be able to freely go to whatever you want without having the no data pop up or the update, because it's not going to let you update. Okay, and as you can see, everything is working the way that it once was before. Pretty awesome. And if you guys have any other questions, please comment below. I know a lot of little tricks for these bugs on these Fire Sticks, so be more than happy to assist. And if you go back to the home screen and you do not see the Terrarium TV app, you can hold down this button right here. Go over to apps. scroll down until you find it, click it, and that's all it takes, just opening it right there, and there it is. All right, thanks guys.